Despite leeches being known for their parasitic nature, they are used often in medical practices. What is leech therapy, and why did that word begin to appear on the pages of medical news again and again? Hirudo in Latin, which means leech therapy, is a method of treatment widely used in the ancient world. It was used by the pharaohs and kings prior to beloved modern medicine, antibiotics, and hormones. Hirudo firmly held its very important place in medicine. It's truly a natural, drug-free treatment that cures any pathology and at the same time rejuvenates the body and skin. Oftentimes, back in the old days, women used it to rejuvenate their skin before important social events. I would say, in the general range of pathology, hirudo is enough and no alternatives from other treatments are needed. First, diseases associated with a stagnant lymph node and blood. Broad spectrum of treatable diseases includes many pathogens which can bring on degeneration and atrophy. For instance, leeches can increase outflow of fluids through lymph nodes and veins, after which normal tissue begins to recover through homeostasis. During this process, significant microcirculation improves as tissue quality improves while detoxifying the body. Thus, the leech is virtually indispensable when you need quickly and permanently eliminate puffiness, get a draining effect, and microcirculation of the blood to achieve immune stimulation. You can treat almost any disease with leech therapy. The following conditions are treatable: cardiovascular, such as coronary heart disease, hypertension, and prevention of myocardial infarction; trophic ulcers, thrombophlebitis, varicose veins, and hemorrhoids; urological diseases such as chronic pyelonephritis. Initially, one would be afraid to be bitten by such a creature, but there's nothing to be afraid of when being bitten by a leech. Sensations at the site of the leech bite feel just like a mosquito, then the area becomes numb as they secrete an anesthetic substance. It should also be remembered that the leech is very sensitive to various odors, so you should avoid any kind of perfumes or colognes for the body, including scented soap and cosmetics, on the day before the procedure and the day of. Treatment time varies from half an hour to an hour and a few hours, depending on the effect that you need to achieve. The course is 7 to 9 treatments, 1 or 2 times per week. The effects after the treatment are most often lasting up to 6 months to a year. Therefore, there is recommended to have leech therapy at least once or twice per year. Leech therapy is often used in patients who have had long-standing diseases. Typically, these patients are repeatedly treated in the hospital and take large doses of medication. In this case, of course, medications are not canceled, but may be reduced. But after 3 to 5 sessions of treatment with leeches and medications, doses of drugs are in fact reduced, and by the end of the course of hirudo, the patient remains at the minimum maintenance of drug usage. Are there any contraindications to hirudo? Of course, as with any method, it is not just used for blood diseases, blood pressure, pregnancy, bleeding, and certain types of cancers. Hirudo can be performed by a certified specialist, for treatment applies only to special kinds of medical leeches grown in biofactories in conditions that ensure the necessary purity and are used only once on patients. Leeches are used for the treatment and available only to a certified specialist. The use of all other types of leeches that were purchased online is dangerous and could cause harm to you. If you have any questions regarding hirudo and treatment, please contact us. Leech is used only one time, and after each treatment, leeches are then terminated, so no contaminants can be spread. An alcohol solution is added to the leech to finish the termination. Find us at our office location, which is located at 11400 Bustleton Avenue, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19116. Our telephone number 267-632-5393 and 484-485-7574. You can visit us on the web at www.leechtherapyusa.com. Thank you and God bless.